Hello everyone. In this series of videos, BNS vs IPC, today, I am going to discuss Section 18 of the BNS, and the corresponding Section 80 of IPC. So, the Section 18 of BNS stipulates that an act does not constitute an offence if it occurs by accident or misfortune. This provision covers scenarios where an action, although leading to unintended results, was performed with lawful intent, using lawful means, and with proper care and caution. Likewise, the provision, specifically, states, "Nothing is an offence if it is done by accident or misfortune, without any criminal intention or knowledge, while performing a lawful act in a lawful manner, using lawful means, and with proper care and caution." Now, let's understand each term separately. First one is accident or misfortune. For an act to be exempt from being an offence under Section 18, the act must have occurred accidentally or as a result of misfortune. This means that the outcome was not the result of negligence or deliberate action. The second one is lawful act. The act must be one that is legally permissible. It must be done in accordance with the law and using lawful methods. The third one is lawful manner and means. The execution of the act should follow legal procedures and norms, ensuring that it was carried out in a manner that aligns with legal standards. And the fourth one is proper care and caution. The individual must exercise a reasonable degree of care and caution. This implies that while the act may result in unintended harm, it was performed with adequate consideration to avoid such outcomes. Now, let's understand it with examples. Example 1. A doctor administering a routine injection who accidentally causes harm due to an unforeseeable allergic reaction. The act of giving the injection was lawful and performed with care, but the reaction was an accident. Example 2. A driver who, while driving cautiously and within speed limits, accidentally hits a pedestrian due to sudden unforeseen circumstances like a roadblock. The driver's actions were lawful and careful, making the incident an accident rather than a criminal act. So, BNS Section 18 provides immunity from criminal liability for acts done accidentally or by misfortune if the act is lawful, performed lawfully, and with proper care and caution, but gives emphasis on lawful act, lawful manner and means, and proper care and caution. The protection applies strictly if these conditions are met, ensuring only those adhering to legal and cautious standards are exempt. And, lastly, it clearly specifies that the act must be performed without criminal intention or knowledge. On the other hand, the corresponding Section 80 of IPC provides immunity from criminal liability for acts that occur accidentally or due to misfortune during the performance of a lawful act, provided there is no criminal intent or knowledge and that the act is done with proper care and caution. So, there is no substantial difference. The provision of BNS mirrors the provision of IPC without any change. Likewise, it can be concluded as Section 18 of the BNS, and the corresponding Section 80 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, both uphold the principle that acts done accidentally or due to misfortune, without criminal intent or knowledge, while performing a lawful act in a lawful manner with due care and caution, do not constitute offences. These provisions ensure that individuals who take all necessary precautions and act without criminal intent are not unjustly penalized for unforeseen accidents or misfortunes. By establishing clear criteria for when an accidental act is not an offence, both the BNS and IPC protect individuals from criminal liability in situations where they act lawfully and without intent to cause harm. This legal principle is vital in distinguishing between intentional wrongdoing and unfortunate accidents, ensuring that only those who act with criminal intent or negligence are held accountable under the law. That is all for this video. Hope you understood the provision, with comparative analysis clearly. However, if you have any query, you can ask through the comment box given below. And, if you liked the video, and want more such interesting videos, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.